Hi friends, greeting from Anamo Laboratories Private Limited. I've been visiting pathology labs in number of years, and I always find the technicians or the laboratory staff, they really get confused in two units of measurement. What are the two units and when they use it? The units are milligram per deciliter or millimoles per liter. Why these two units come into the picture? When they are doing analysis of a molecule, let's say blood sugar, simple, and they can find some reports are mentioning in millimoles per liter, some units are mentioning, some places they mention it milligram per deciliter. Exactly when there are two reports coming to physician, they get confused how to compare these two values, how to interconvert them one into the second. Okay, let's take it today, this small little confusion, how to overcome this. Unit of measurement is nothing but quantitation of that analyte in blood. You can quantitate this in terms of per 100 ml or deciliter. Deciliter is nothing but 100 ml, 0.1 liter, that is 100 ml. Okay, so that analyte unit of quantitation for 100 ml, that is milligram per deciliter or gram per deciliter, depending upon the analyte. And the second presentation is per liter, that is for 1 liter of blood. It happens that when you are doing a 1 liter of blood, the unit normally measures in terms of millimoles, okay, or moles, depending upon the analyte's concentration, normal value in the blood. Now, what is the relation between these two and how do you interconvert them? This is a small little exercise which you need to do is you just go through a literature to find out what is the molecular weight of that analyte. For example, in case you are taking glucose, when we search into the literature, you will find molecular weight of glucose is 180.16. For a simple calculation, you take it as 180. Okay. What is molecular weight? Molecular weight is if you take 1 gram equivalent weight of that is 180. The whole molecule of glucose weighs 180 grams if you take it as 1 mole per liter solution. Okay, so simple thing is you find out the molecular weight in a simple term, and if suppose you want to convert millimoles or moles per liter, let's say for example, simple thing, we'll take it as a moles per liter is equivalent to nothing but molecular weight into 1 gram per liter. Okay, so that means if you take 180 grams of glucose multiplied by 1 per liter is 1 mole per liter of glucose. Mole. If you take it millimole, you have to multiply it by 1000. Or if in case you were to go reverse, you have to divide it by 1000. Okay. Now let's see how you convert. Simple thing is that how do you convert a milligram per deciliter into millimoles? Okay. So you have a milligram per deciliter into 10, that means deciliter converts into multiplied by 10 is per liter and divide by its molecular weight. Example, you have 100 milligram percent or per liter deciliter glucose divided by 180 into 10 is 5.55, that is your millimoles per liter. Okay, now if you have to do reverse of this, exactly opposite you need to do. You have a results in millimoles per liter multiplied by molecular weight and divide by 10. So you get your conversion. Or a simple term, divide by 10 or multiplied by 10 depending upon whether you are converting 100 to 10 or 100 to 1 liter or 1 liter to 100 ml. So it's a division of 10. Okay, and a molecular weight comes into the picture. I hope this is very clear. You take example of anything, any analyte, whether you want to convert into millimoles per liter or millimoles into milligram per deciliter. Apply this formula. and you will get your results all right. I hope I've been able to explain to you very clearly. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe this, and if you want more such videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you very much, friends.